embedded professionals, engineers, and developers. Welcome to In Case You Missed It, the weekly news show all about embedded technologies and solutions from your friends at Embedded Computing Design. I'm Ken Briodagh, Editor-in-Chief of Embedded Computing Design. It's Friday, February 27th, 2026, and these are our top stories this week. First up, Wincomm has announced the release of its 21.5-inch WMP22T PISL and 23.8-inch WMP24T PISL medical all-in-one PCs. They're designed for operating rooms and critical healthcare environments, Wincomm says. The series combines a fanless design with a built-in power supply in an anti-bacterial, lightweight aluminum housing. It's also, for me most interestingly, reportedly got a very cool Clean Me mode with a dedicated hotkey that freezes the touchscreen for cleaning, which is, of course, very important in a healthcare environment. Check that out. Our next story is a column coming from our very own Rich Nass. Rich has been deep in his gadget testing bag recently, and he's written up his impressions of two wireless devices that are aimed at protecting the home. There's a cellular security camera from Defend and a water intrusion detection platform by Shelly. So you want to check those out. Rich gives a really complete review and dive into those devices. Next, we have a new segment. I'm very excited about this, in which I am in a moment going to cut to a recent interview I did on a big news topic. In this edition, we're going to be hearing from Ansgar Hein. He's the president and chairman of SGET, and he's going to fill us in on the new OHFM standard for Open Harmonized FPGA modules. There's a new OHFM standard. Ansgar, welcome to the program.
Hey, Ken. Thank you for having me. So
the pleasure's mine. It's great to finally get a chance to talk to you and to chat. My first question is an easy one. Tell us about the new standard. What is it?
Okay, so basically it's about FPGA. We are known for other standards that are very modular and open at SGET. So, for example, SMARC or OSM. And we thought about FPGA for a while and thought, why not standardize modular FPGA components? So everybody told us, that'll be difficult. It's a whole different story than comms. And then we went for it. So we've got a lot of FPGA expertise in the group. And so we created the first open harmonized FPGA module standard. So that is what OHFM stands for, Open Harmonized FPGA Module. And it comes in two flavors, basically. So we've got it solderable and we've got it connector-based. So we've put all of our knowledge that we have inside of SGET of solderable modules like we had with OSM and SMARC and Q7 connector-based modules into one big module standard, so to say.
So we have a pretty big, broad base of engineering disciplines and stuff in our listenership. Who's going to be most interested in, who's going to absolutely need to go out and figure this out? I mean, a lot of folks are working with FPGAs now, as you know, automotive everywhere, they're, who's going to be looking for this in particular?
I think it'll be engineers who are already into comms, and also those who are using FPGAs. There are several FPGA modules out there.
Sure.
That's for sure. But they lack one thing, which is exchangeability. So you just have to stick with one vendor, and then you have vendor lock-in. So if you're looking for a second source, then that'll be probably something you'll be searching for. So it could be also project managers, so to say, who are looking for something as a second source.
Now, this was just a small part of a larger conversation I had with Ansgar, but it was a lot of fun. You can catch the full interview on an upcoming episode of Embedded Insiders podcast, and I hope you do. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that or any of those episodes. Finally, we're featuring a new paper from Professor Axel Sikora, chairman of the Embedded World Exhibition and Conference, from Christian Keidel, associate of Embedded Systems Academy, Julian Gopert, a researcher at Offenburg University of Applied Sciences, and Olaf Pfeiffer, Pfeiffer, a founder of the Embedded Systems Academy. These 4 academics and experts have written a paper that provides guidance on the EU Cyber Resilience Act for non-IP embedded communication systems and how you can reduce the likelihood of having your system hacked under this new regulation. So make sure you give that a read. It's really critical information. Speaking of embedded world, our embedded computing design team is ready to rock and roll out to Germany so we can bring you even more video, audio, and news content than we ever have before. Check out our event guide. Link is in the description for tips, tricks, and tactics for getting the most out of your participation while you're there. Hope that you will all give me your feedback on the new segment. I hope you enjoy it. We're going to try doing that occasionally. It won't happen in every episode, but I'm excited about it. But that's it for this week. Make sure you look for the In Case You Missed It LinkedIn newsletter for even more stories that you don't want to miss. That comes out every Monday on LinkedIn. You can subscribe to it over there. And while you're in a subscribing mood, I know that almost 90% of you watching this right now are not subscribed to our channel. A travesty. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification button so you don't miss any of our shows, including In Case You Missed It and Dev Kit Weekly. We have a new episode that posted this week, so you should check out that new Dev Kit. Visit embeddedcomputing.com for all the news that you don't want to miss, even those that didn't make it into the cut for this week's In Case You Missed It. And follow us on LinkedIn and all across the web for everything that you need to know about the embedded computing space. Please reach out if you'd like to become a sponsor or advertiser on In Case You Missed It. In the meantime, have a great weekend. Enjoy yourselves.